Hello students, I am Mrs. Archana Santosh Tiwari. Today I am going to teach you about villages of India. Do you know about villages? You all are staying in villages. Is it right or not? Yeah, we all are staying in villages. So today I am going to start chapter 4 villages of India. So here I am going to explain you about the villages. So please, anyone that knows what is a village? What is a village? A village is a small place far away from the cities where people live. The houses in a villages are often surrounded by farms, fields and trees. Most people in India live in villages. You know, a village is very far away from the cities. Cities are where there is a lots of gap between cities and villages. So, in villages, it's very far away from the cities where very few people are live and they do their works by surrounding by their fields, farms, okay, trees, and they are all the people, those who are living in villages, we call them as a villagers. We call them as a villagers. Okay. Now, people who live, most people work in farms to grow crops, rare letters. In villages, mostly people are work in farms and रेयर कैटल. ज़्यादातर लोग जो गांव के लोग होते हैं वो क्या है, गांव में जो रहते हैं वो खेतों में काम करते हैं क्रॉप्स ग्रो करने के लिए, अनाज उगाने के लिए, और कैटल रेयर यानी कि डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स को पालते हैं. लाइफ इन अ विलेज इज क्वाइटर देन लाइफ इन अ टाउन और सिटी. विलेज लाइफ इज वेरी सिंपल अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिटी. The air in a village is usually clean. There are almost no tall buildings and fewer buses and cars. In villages, the airs are very clean. People get fresh air to breathe. Why? Because there is no pollution, because of many trees are there and very few buses and cars. So, now next topic is differentiate between a village and a city. There are many differences between a village and a city. Look at the chart below to find out what these differences are there. If you wish, you can add some more to the chart. In a chart, there is a given a differences between villages and city. So I am going to explain you about teach you about the villages and cities. In villages, it is very small in size. Villages are small in size according to the city. Why? City is very large. In villages, very few houses are there. But in cities, many houses and tall buildings are there. In villages, people live, very few people are live there according to a city. But in city, millions of people live there. In villages there is no traffic, but in city there is a lot of traffic because of lot of buses, cars and trucks moving on the road. Very few shops, schools and hospitals are there in villages. Many shops, schools and hospitals mean in cities there is a lot of shops, schools and hospitals, but in villages there is a very reasonable, very less number of shops, schools and hospitals are there. In villages, the lives are quieter, so simple. But in city, the lives are very noisier. क्यों? क्योंकि शहर में बहुत भीड़ भाड़, बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन होने की वजह से वहाँ पर हमेशा शोरगुल मचा रहता है. बट गांव में शांति रहती है. Because of good environment, in villages we get clean airs, but in cities, because of the population, we get polluted air. Lots of open space and farmlands. In villages, there is a lots of space we have there for farmland where people are doing farming. But in cities, there is no places. Everywhere there is a buildings and houses are there, shops, hospitals are there. So the landforms are not there. There are very few landforms which is not open, less open space. Agriculture is the main occupation in villages. People's main occupation is what? Agriculture. But in cities there is a many types of jobs are there. So peoples are there coming from different places, stay in city, and they're doing many different occupations in a city. Houses in a village. Next topic is what? Houses in a village. Houses in a villages are usually made of clay, hay and tiles. Such houses are called kacha houses. Those houses made of clay, hay and tiles are known as what? Kacha houses. A villages in West Bengal. See here, it is given in villages in West Bengal where there is a heavy rain. The sloping roofs allow the water to drain. Wherever the heavy rains are there in which villages, they are making their roofs. They are making their roofs in a slope way. Okay, not always permanent. These days, villages also have houses built of bricks, stones and cement. Even कुछ गांव में कुछ लोग ऐसा भी है, कुछ लोग ऐसे घर बनाते हैं जो कि ब्रिक, स्टोन और सीमेंट से बना हुआ था है. That type of houses are known as permanent or the पक्का houses. Houses in Indian villages are built in different ways. इंडिया में जो गांव होते हैं वहाँ हर गांव में अलग अलग तरह से घर या मकान बनाए जाते हैं. This usually depends on the climate and the kind of matters found in that place. और ये डिपेंड करता है वहाँ के क्लाइमेट और वहाँ पे मिलने वाले मटेरियल्स पे. Whatever materials we are getting and what types of climates are there, everything is depend on that what types of houses should be made. In places that get heavy rain like West Bengal and Kerala, the houses have sloping roofs to help drain rain water. In places, many places are there in our country India, in many villages, they are getting heavy rainfalls. Like West Bengal and Kerala. In these places, the houses have sloping roofs. ऐसे जगहों पे स्लोपिंग रूफ में, यानी कि जैसे आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं इस तरह से ढलान में स्लोपिंग रूफ में हाउसेस बनाए जाते हैं, जिससे कि बारिश होने पर पानी जो है, वाटर जो आपका इजिली ड्रेन हो सके. इन ड्राई एंड हॉट प्लेसेस लाइक राजस्थान, villages houses often have flat roof, but the places where the climates are very dry and hot like Rajasthan, the houses roofs are what? Flat roof. The houses have flat roof like this. Are all of you able to see here, beta? Fine. Now in some parts of northeast India, houses are built on long legs called steel. In many Indian northeast Indian parts, the houses built are long, means they are having a pillar. They making in the support of pillar, they making the houses. This type of houses should known as stilt houses. This is done to protect the houses from getting flooded during the rainy season. This type of houses are made the places where the floods occurs. To protect, जहाँ पे बाढ़ आते हैं हर साल बरसातों से, ऐसे जगहों पे इस तरह का घर बनाया जाता है. जैसे देखिए यहाँ पिक्चर में दिखा रहा है, क्लियर, इस तरह का, जिससे कि हम बाढ़ से बच सके. जब हैवी रेनफॉल्स होते हैं, व्हेन वी आर गेटिंग हैवी रेनफॉल्स एंड ड्यूरिंग द फ्लड टाइम, दिस टाइप ऑफ हाउसेस help us to survive there. That's why we are making stilt houses in the area where floods having during the rainy season. Means of transport in villages. Unlike a city, a village is a small place, so most villagers travel within the village on foot or on bicycle and cars. If we compare according to the city, villages have a very small place, so villages travel wherever the villages travel. If they want to go in a few places, they go by a foot or on bicycle, or they are using cart, that is bullock cart or horse cart, anything. Buses, tractor and motorbikes are used to travel for long distance. अगर वो दूर जाना चाहते हैं, if they are traveling for long distances, then only they are using buses, tracks and motorbikes. Otherwise, in few areas, if they don't want to go to the longer place, they have to go in a few distance only. So they are using their foot, bicycles or cars. So next topic I'm going to teach you. See here, villages traveling in a tractor. Are you see here? Villagers are traveling in a tractor. A man on a cycle, cart. See here, in this picture it's already given that how a man is just going in using a cycle cart. See here, making pots. Their villagers are making pots by the muds. Okay, now I'm going to teach you the topic about the work that people do in villages. About the work that people do in villages. Okay, in this topic you have to learn that what type of works the villagers do in their villages. First is what? Farming. Farming, that is growing crops. Farming that means growing crops is the main occupation of villagers. You all are living in a villages, so you know that your father is also working in a farming. Are you know? In season time, there is a two types of seasons, Rabi and Kharif. Your father is also working in a farming, doing farming and growing crops. Okay, all of you know. Now see here. Also, mostly students having their, you know very well, you have their on their houses. That's a cattle like cow, buffalo, etc., etc. So here, cattle rearing, pottery making, weaving, fishing and making of handicrafts are some of the other important occupations. This all the things is given. That's all are the occupations of the villagers, those who are living in a village. See here, the picture is given that rearing animals. See, this is the growing crops, weaving clothes, fishing. Everything is this occupation, whatever is shown in this book, it depends on the villagers or the areas. All the occupations are not doing in the same villages, but some is from some places and some are from some places. Okay, especially fishing is doing in the coastal area sides. Okay, and in the northern plain area side, that the growing crops are the major occupations. Now I'm going to teach about the next topic, that is changes taking place in Indian villages. At present time, what type of changes are taking place in Indian villages? Before, if we compare previous times, at present time there is a lot of differences between the Indian villagers. There is a lot of changes in their lives at present time. Now I am going to teach about that. See here, villages in India have changed a lot. At present time, if we see, there is a lot of changes have taken place in the life of the villagers. Today, most of the villages are connected by good roads. अब इस समय प्रेजेंट टाइम में अब गांव में कच्चे रोड नहीं रह गए. दे आर ऑल्सो कनेक्टेड बाय द गुड रोड्स. मोस्ट विलेजर्स हैव electricity, school, health clinic and post office. Now at present time, mostly villages have electricity. लगभग हर गांव में बिजली है, स्कूल है, हेल्थ क्लिनिक है, पोस्ट ऑफिस है. And hand pumps. You know hand pumps, see here it is given. the woman is drawing water from a hand pump. This type of hand pumps, each and every villagers have their own hand pumps in their houses or outside the houses, have been put up in several villages, ensuring that women no longer have to walk long distance in search of वाटर. पहले के समय पे लोग पानी के लिए दूर दूर तक नदियों पे जाते थे पर अब लोगों को गांव में पानी के लिए ज़्यादा दूर तक जाना नहीं पड़ता है. बिकॉज वाई? बिकॉज दे हैव वाटर फैसिलिटीज. Many farmers now using tractor to plug their land and machines to harvest the crops. पहले लोग खेती जब करते थे तो दो बैलों का यूज़ करते थे और उससे वो लोग खेत को प्लग करते थे और फिर उसको हार्वेस्ट करते थे. बट अब क्या चेंजेस आ गए हैं? दे आर प्लगिंग देयर फील्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ ट्रैक्टर. अब ट्रैक्टर से खेत प्लग किए जाते हैं और ऐसे मशीन्स आते हैं जो क्रॉप्स को हार्वेस्ट. एट प्रेजेंट टाइम अभी आपने देखा होगा सबके यहाँ पे गेहूं की खेती हुई थी, वीट का क्रॉप्स. तो लगभग सबके यहाँ पे कैसे वो कट हुआ था? क्या आप उन लोगों ने हाथ से काटा था? नहीं. किसे काटे थे? वी आर यूजिंग मशीन्स. मशीन्स आती है जो क्रॉप्स को हार्वेस्ट करती है. एज अ रिजल्ट देयर आर फीवर जॉब्स फॉर पीपल इन विलेजेस. और इससे रिजल्ट ये होता है कि गांव में लोगों के पास बहुत ही कम जॉब्स होते हैं. सो मेनी पीपल्स आर मूविंग फ्रॉम विलेजेस टू टाउन्स एंड सिटीज इन सर्च ऑफ जॉब. इसलिए बहुत सारे लोग जो है नौकरी के जॉब की तलाश में, सर्च में शहर गांव से सिटी से टाउन्स में या फिर सिटीज में जाते हैं. ओके, आर यू? दिस इज बाय दिस आई एम ओवर. द चैप्टर इज ओवर. सो please listen this video carefully, and if you have any doubt you ask me when the school is open. Thank you.